Hey guys, Kevin with Lifestyle Overland here, coming to you with a first look video at something pretty doggone cool. This is the 23-0 Peregrine 270-degree awning. This works on just about any vehicle with a roof rack. So let's crack this puppy open and get busy installing it. But first, we've got to pull off our old awning. This is the TSHIRTS USA 180-degree awning. Now you might be thinking, oh, wait a minute, this is a 270. Will it interfere with the hatch? We're going to find out. So like I said, the TSHIRTS has been a great awning for us. We've been running that for about 2 years now. But 23-0, they hit us up and said, hey, we've got this new design. We want you to take it, test it, just run it through the paces and let us know what you think. So we're gonna pull this guy off. It's still in fairly decent shape. Just got a few issues with the taping on the seams on the underside. It looks as if that tape actually contracted at a different rate than the fabric did, and so it's pulled apart in a few places. Still functional. Don't recall any leaks that we've ever had out of it, but it's time to move on to something new, and we're all about trying new creative ideas. So let's put this guy on and see how it works out. All right, so it looks like the pattern for the 23-0 is going to match up with the brackets that I already have mounted. And seeing as how I'm extremely busy right now, I'm not going to go to the trouble to swap out the brackets. I just want to get it mounted and give it a try. But if I was going to, it would go just like this, and then you would just use fender washers underneath to bolt through the webbing of the roof rack. So those are nice, but these are already installed, so let's use these. All right, so one improvement that I see right off the bat is this end cap right here. We actually have a 3-way Velcro seam that's going to keep the water out. The last awning that we had, the TSHIRTS, actually had an opening right here, and so with a lot of rain you would actually get some moisture in the cover, so you wanted to kind of open up your awning every so often to dry it out. So I like this. This is looking good, and this gives us great access to these 2 channels here where we're actually going to install our mounting bolts. Spidey reflexes. All right, so we can get these close to where the last awning was mounted. Pretty straightforward there. And we're ready to mount. That's pretty quick. Some beefy hinges here. And I believe that's 180 GSM ripstop polycotton canvas. Whole unit weighs in at about 54 pounds. So mounting it really wasn't bad at all. Let's open this thing up. Now for the real question. All right, moment of truth, guys. Not perfect for 6'3", but you know what? All right, guys, there you go. The 23-0 270 awning, known as the Peregrine. I like it. It's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to playing with it some more. It is a tight fit on the hatch, but the hatch does open. So that's going to be really nice when it's pouring rain and you want to get in here. You've actually got something to walk under. So, overall, pretty pleased. Now, let's put this thing through the paces and see how it does. All right, guys, that wraps up this first look. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it informative. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Safe travels. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Let's pack it down. Ta-da! Did you time it? I did. I think it was about 60 seconds. But not bad. Looking forward to playing with this. All right, now you guys can go.